Chapter 1: An Unexpected Beginning. In the tranquil village of Valle Serena, life flowed slow and serene. The sun painted the surrounding hills with golden hues, while the scent of wildflowers lingered in the air. In this picturesque corner of the world lived a young man named Enrico, whose heart was wrapped in boundless curiosity and a desire for adventure. Since childhood, Enrico had dreamt of exploring distant lands and uncovering hidden secrets. His room was adorned with ancient maps and tales of brave travelers. His mind was filled with stories of heroes who had crossed unknown seas and faced unimaginable dangers. But Valle Serena was a place where time seemed to pass without haste, and opportunities for adventure were rare. Enrico had grown up, but his spirit had retained the burning desire to see the world beyond the hills that surrounded the village. One day, while strolling along the river that crossed Valle Serena, Enrico discovered something extraordinary: an ancient golden medallion, as brilliant as the morning sun. Glittering with promises and mysteries, the medallion seemed to call to him, as if it had a story to tell. At that moment, Enrico knew that his destiny had finally caught up with him. That ancient object, with its pulsating heart, marked the beginning of an incredible adventure that would lead Enrico to explore unknown lands, encounter extraordinary characters, and, above all, discover the true value of his youthful heart. So, with the golden medallion around his neck and determination in his eyes, Enrico prepared to embark on a journey that would change his life forever. His adventures were about to begin, and his youthful heart was ready to beat in rhythm with the world.